Gone far. Of course, we have written all the necessary letters to relevant agencies and institutions that will furnish us with information, of course, and we are gathering intelligence, almost everywhere regarding that investigation. So we are on.
So how many people have you been able to identify so far?
You want me to tell you that?
How many of them have you been able to identify so far, so good?
Well, I will not be able to say that. Sorry about that.
But the commission is so firm about that.
Oh, certainly. It's part of what we are expected to do. Money laundering, of course, you are aware that is what we are investigating. So for funds that are moving from one point A to point B, it's our responsibility to look at it, to find out whether the source is legitimate or otherwise.
So how soon are we expecting something cogent in that?
Very soon.
That's it. It's okay, Cham.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.